Okay, I got her all packed up. This is my sleigh. The creeper, I got it all ready to go. Slide's pretty good, way better than snow though. If I get any left behind, I'll get it tomorrow. And actually, it goes pretty straight. Now what I do now is I'm listening for the bells at my garage. Oh, this is a heavy load. Here's the walkway. Oh, that's the truck. Oh yeah, of course. Kind of good. I was worried about running this truck. This slide's way better on concrete. With this truck, I didn't want to bump into it. Here are the bells. We got them all over the place. Just some of them are beat up right now. A good wagon would be better probably, but it's working. That's how I make it to the shop. Well, thanks for watching and subscribing and liking and all that. I appreciate it. I need to get more viewers or something. Have a good day. Thanks. Bye.